Civilization is a complex system, and today this system is malfunctioning. This video presents two conclusions. First, the modern financial system is structurally self-destructive. Second, the capital of the Goryeo Dynasty was not on the Korean Peninsula, but in Tai'an, Shandong. This is not ideology. This is a system audit. Section 1. Economic Integrity. Dollar Cannibalism. Look at the global economy. Most experts avoid the elephant in the room, the Triffin Dilemma. A reserve currency cannot simultaneously serve global liquidity and national economic stability. By ignoring this contradiction, fractional reserve banking has evolved into what I call dollar cannibalism, a system consuming its own foundation to survive. To address this, I initiated Project The Great Bridge. It is not a policy proposal. It is a blueprint for re-architecting civilization's operating system, using digital finance as a scalpel, not a slogan. Section 2. Historical Integrity. The Goryeo Coordinates. History is also a data set. If the data is inconsistent, the narrative is an error. The prevailing theory that Goryeo existed entirely on the Korean Peninsula collides with geography, military logistics, and administrative records. I exclude ethnic sentiment. I exclude political convenience. I follow data only. My audit of contemporaneous sources, including the Yun Shi, indicates a coordinate mismatch. The records consistently point to the Goryeo capital being located in Tai'an, Shandong, not Kaesong. This is not a finished proof. It is the identification of a corrupted variable that demands verification. Conclusion: one mechanism, two domains. Economy and history appear unrelated. They are not. They fail in the same way when malformed variables are protected by authority instead of logic. I am not a politician. I am not a nationalist historian. I am a civilizational architect. My task is simple. Identify systemic distortions and restore structural integrity. AI does not respect power. It respects coherence. As logic regains authority, distorted systems, financial or historical, will be forced to reconcile with reality. This is not the end of an argument. It is the registration of a claim in a system that can finally audit itself. Join me in this journey to debug civilization and uncover the ground truth. I am GoodLodil.